In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple accounts on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're an experienced trader managing diverse portfolios or a beginner experimenting with different strategies, setting up multiple accounts can be a crucial part of your trading toolkit. So let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started smoothly. First, let's launch MetaTrader 5 on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official website or through your trusted broker to ensure security and compatibility. Once you have the platform open, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll want to locate the File tab. Just click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Open an Account. Selecting this option is your gateway to adding a new trading account. Now, when you choose to open a new account, you'll see a window prompting you to search for the server associated with your broker. This is an important step, as your broker's server is where your trading account will be connected to execute trades. Type in your broker's name or server address in the search bar provided, and once it populates, hit Next. This brings us to an essential choice. You will see two options: creating a new demo account or connecting with an existing trade account. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select Connect with an existing trade account. This option is crucial when you already have trading accounts set up with your broker and simply wish to manage them efficiently within MetaTrader 5. After selecting to connect with an existing account, you'll need to input some key details. Your login credentials. Typically, this will include your login ID, password, and the exact server provided by your broker. Enter these details carefully, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as they are essential for a successful connection to your trading account. Once everything is typed in correctly, it's time to finalize this process by clicking on Finish. This action effectively seals the deal for adding your account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. At this point, you should see your new account listed, ready for you to manage and operate as needed. For those of you who wish to open additional accounts, perhaps to execute different trading strategies or to test new markets, simply repeat this process. Return to the beginning steps, opening MetaTrader 5, and going through the File menu to open an account. Following the same steps as before will allow you to seamlessly add as many accounts as you need, all under one MetaTrader 5 interface. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently manage and operate multiple trading accounts on MetaTrader 5. Each account can run independently, giving you the flexibility and control needed to maximize your trading potential. Thank you for joining me today. Happy trading.